Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Let's see how we can configure or how we can use some heading option and Easify product options to organize our Shopify product page into a clean or a structured, organized way. So without delay, let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So I'm using Easify Custom Product Options to have this heading option into my Shopify product page. So I have downloaded this from Shopify App Store, and also you can select from the search bar in the Shopify App Store like Easify Custom Product Options. Then the result will show like this, and on clicking you can see their installation page, and this contain some overviews and some key points of this particular app. Just go through this, and there is some pricing plan also. So they provide some free plans. So I recommend you to start with the free plan. And if this find helpful, you can just upgrade to their paid plans. And there are some genuine reviews from different merchants also available here. You can just go through this. So everything is set. You can just click on install button. And before that, make sure that you are logged into your Shopify admin panel. So once installed, you can see the app section is having Easify options like this. So go to Easify options and head on to option sets. Now this list will show up the created option sets like this. I have only created one, and let's go to create option set. Now click on add option. Now choose the heading. And again on clicking heading, you can see the option name to see setup as setup and installation. And I'm giving the content as setup and installation options available. And style, let's go with H4. So this will look more suitable in my product page. And I can also change the color. I'm changing the text color to a kind of navy blue, and I'm just manually selecting the products. I'm not planning to have this heading to be present in all the Shopify product pages. So I'm just ticking the second option. And if you want this to be present with a products having some condition, then you can just click on this. Then the conditions will be showing like this. So you can set up the condition, and this option will be available only when this condition is met. So I'm just giving manually selecting the products to have. So I'm selecting these three products, and there are some more settings also available here with some customer restrictions, but you have to be in a paid plan to use this. So currently we will be restricted to the all the customers, and there is some advanced settings also. So you need to be in a paid plan to use this. So the basic settings is done. Let's save this, and let's see how we can see this, how this would look like in our Shopify product page. So I'm opening a product page, and you can see the setup and installation options available like this as a heading. So that's how it's very simple, and you can just try this out in your Shopify store, like creating a heading option to your Shopify product page for a particular products only. So let's try with some other products which we haven't added the option to be present. So you can see the heading option is not showing like this. See, there is no heading option showing since we already added this product to in our selected products or the selected range. So while you're waiting for, just grab this app from the Shopify App Store and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.